Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to review and swatch these super affordable NY Bae Matte Lipsticks. Being a working woman, I prefer lipsticks that are not just pretty, but also that manage to stay fresh and intact all day long without too many touch-ups. So I'm going to review this range and test it against popular brands like Maybelline, Lakme and Colorbar on the parameters of pigmentation, staying power and of course price. So let's begin. NY Bae Creamy Matte Lipsticks are priced at Rs 125 each. It is exclusively available on purple.com. The packaging looks like so with a black plastic case. The top end is transparent so you can figure out the shade. The cap has a lock mechanism which closes with a click sound and keeps the cap firmly attached to the body. This ensures that the lipstick doesn't get ruined inside your bag. Here I have almost 24 shades with me with really interesting names, and I'm going to swatch them all for you. Coming to its texture, it appears very creamy, so I can safely say that they are creamy mattes and not dry mattes. As you can probably see that the texture is very velvety and the color comes out strong with just one stroke. The pigmentation is high, which results in really intense color. The formula glides smoothly on the skin. It does have a faint fragrance, which is nothing much to worry about. Now, I'm going to compare this product with other brands from the similar league and identical claims. The first I have is Maybelline Color Show in the shade 406 Fall in Mauve. I'm swatching this shade here for you to see the color pop and the pigmentation. The next I have is Pure Innocence shade 12 by Colorbar. Let me swatch it here as well. Another lipstick that I have here is Lakme Enrich shade Satin. Here is the swatch. Now I'm swatching NY Bae shade number 30, which is called as Hue from the 5th Avenue, as it is similar in appearance. I think this has the most matte finish along with an impressive pigmentation. Now to test its staying power, I'm going to wear it throughout the day doing my routine stuff. The lipstick stayed for almost 4 hours amidst my everyday activities before it required a touch-up. 4 hours is the usual wearability of a creamy matte lipstick. And did I tell you that some shades leave behind a beautiful deep stain even when they wear off? Now let's begin with the swatches.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this was my review and swatch of the NY Bae lipsticks. Please subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.